Hey my friend, this is Joey. In this video we are going to create a Python program to add two numbers. The program is going to ask us to enter the two numbers from the console and it's going to calculate the sum of those two numbers. Let's start coding the program right away. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because that way you don't miss out on any new videos of Python coding interview questions I create. So we'll first create the main function. I'll type the main keyword and PyCharm does the work for me. Now we'll declare a variable a. Now to receive the first number from the console, we'll print the input function that will display a message, enter the first number. And of course we'll have to typecast it to integer as the input function returns a string. So let me do that. This is the way we typecast the input taken using the input function. We'll declare another variable b and store the second number taken from the console in this variable. So let me copy this from here and paste it over here, because only thing that we need to change in this message is replace first with second. Okay, so the code to receive the two numbers from the console is complete. Now we'll declare a third variable which will be v_sum, and after the equals to sign we'll write a plus b. Okay, now this line of code will calculate the sum of a and b and store it in the variable v_sum. And in the last line of code, we'll print the value of v_sum in style. So it will be print, and within double quotes, we'll write the message, the sum of curly braces. These curly braces will be replaced by the value of a, and curly braces again. These curly braces will be replaced by the value of b is curly braces again, and the last set of curly braces will be replaced by the value stored in v_sum. Now within format, we'll pass a, b, v_sum, the three variables. Alright, the program looks decent. Let's run the program and check whether it is working fine. Okay, so I'm going to click on this play button, and as you can see, it is asking me to enter the first number. Let me enter 5, and as you can see, it is asking me to enter the second number. Let me add 6, and let's see if the program prints 11 as the sum or not. There you go. The program displays the sum of 5 and 6 is 11, and hence we can say that the program is working fine. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do let me know in case of any doubts in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video of Joy's Tech. Goodbye and take very good care of yourself.